Relaxation is an individual experience. Take this time for yourself. Grant yourself permission to relax and rejuvenate. Your body needs it, and you deserve it. For the next few moments, free your mind so that you can focus on you. Breathing. Focus on breathing. In a moment, you'll be taking slow, deep breaths. As you breathe out, you'll discover that you can let the tension and fatigue flow out of your body. Remember to breathe slowly and deeply. With every slow, deep breath, you will become more and more relaxed. Let's begin. Take a nice, slow, easy, deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds. While exhaling slowly, say to yourself the word release. Again, breathe in easily and deeply. Hold it. Now exhale slowly, saying the word release. As you exhale, feel the tension leave your body. Again, take a slow, easy, deep breath. Hold it. Now exhale slowly, saying the word release. Let your arms and shoulders sag. Again, take a slow, easy, deep breath. Hold it. Exhale slowly. Release. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Let go. Once more, breathe in. Hold it. Release. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into this comfortable feeling of relaxation. Just let go and relax. Now, try a few of these deep breaths with